Hello, I am Adithya.
And I am Kevin.
We are here to present our project on real-time object detection using hardware accelerator CNN on Xilinx Sync FPG.
So what we have done is that we made a custom accelerator which accelerates the predefined YOLO model which is available on the internet. So what we have done is that actually we made a custom YOLO accelerator. This accelerator takes 2-3 layers from the YOLO and accelerate this 2-3 layers on FPGA. So what we have done is that we made a custom IP using HLS. And we exported that IP to Vivado, and we made a bitstream file. Then we what is it transfer this bit file to our sync board, and we made other programs, and we call this bit file and we run this. That's all actually. And we got a we compared the matrices, this results based on two metrics. One was that we run this code in purely on ARM, and the other one was ARM plus FPGA. While running on ARM, we got approximately 2.2 FPS, and on ARM plus FPGA, we got twice of it. So, which validates our results that running some layers on FPGA will boost our performance.
Yes.
That's all.
Thank you.